How to optimize your forex strategy for 2025. I'm going to show you this real quick, so make sure you like this video right now and subscribe to this channel. Comment what you think. Now I know your strategy is probably working and maybe you don't trust it, or maybe you're confused whether it's the best thing to do or not. Now I'm going to show you this simple strategy that you have to pay quick attention to. Now whatever strategy that you're using to analyze the market, now you have to take note of the volume. Make sure that you actually take note of the volume. Where you are either going to install a volume indicator to actually help you on that, or you're going to just, if you understand how to store the volume, market volume, just from looking at the chart. Now I'm looking at the volatility trade right here. Now what we're actually talking about is a forex market, not just other market like volatility or any other virtual market. Now here's another thing that you have to do. Now you have to make your analysis from the daily time frame. Now from the higher time frame, daily time frame, before you go to your 1 minute time frame, M1 time frame, to take your trade. The M1 time frame should be your signal, while your higher time frame H4 or D1 time frame should be the trend that you want to follow when you take your trade. Now very important. Most people do a lot of technical analysis and forgetting that the fundamental analysis actually play a vital role in how the market play out. Now that's where you're going to need these trader days. Now how are you going to get the trader days? Let me show you where you're going to get that from your MT5. Now you need to click on the calendar. Yes, the calendar is going to take you to this trader days app. Now on this app right here, you're going to see how major events are actually playing out. Now one thing you have to note importantly, now all this event that has red attached to it, it means that they are highly important and they are going to play a vital role on how the market actually play out. Now also another important thing is for the market to pump. Let's say we are talking about the USD right here. Now if the market is going to improve, now the forecast, the actual data should be the same as the forecast or above the previous data. Now if it's actually the same with the previous data, or just like it is slightly below the previous data, then the market is going to react negatively. It reacts, the much the difference, the much the reaction that you're going to get in the market. Like in this case now, we're going to get market to react, the USD to react negatively, but may not be that much. Now that's why you could see now on this this market right here. Let's look at the GP USD. You could see that the GP is actually doing a little pump after a whole lot of dump, and that's because of this particular publication right here, 10-year node unction. Okay, so now make use of this app as frequent as you do your technical analysis, and then you're going to always be in profit. So you could see there are other country pairs right there. You could do your analysis throughout the week to know what you're expecting to happen in the market. So let me know if you like this video. Subscribe right now.
Still on that one.